Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. Which planet has the longest orbit around the Sun? Is it A. Uranus, B. Saturn, C. Neptune, or D. Jupiter? The answer is C. Neptune.
Neptune, the eighth planet from the Sun, takes a staggering 165 Earth years to complete one orbit. Discovered in 1846, it has only completed one full orbit since then. This distant ice giant is also home to supersonic winds reaching speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour, faster than the speed of sound.
Question 2. What is fulminology the study of? Is it A. Lightning, B. Movement in relation to human anatomy, C. Wine and winemaking, or D. Prehistoric life? The answer is A. Lightning.
Fulminology, the study of lightning, delves into one of nature's most electrifying phenomena. Lightning can reach temperatures 5 times hotter than the sun's surface and strike the same place multiple times. The Empire State Building is hit about 25 times a year, making it a frequent subject for fulminologists.
Question 3. Who invented the centigrade scale? Is it A. Celso da Gama, B. Anders Celsius, C. Max Gradle, or D. Hoff Zimmerman? The answer is B. Anders Celsius.
Anders Celsius, a Swedish astronomer, invented the centigrade scale in 1742. Interestingly, his original scale was inverted compared to today's version. 0 degrees marked the boiling point of water and 100 degrees its freezing point. It was later reversed by Carl Linnaeus to align with our current understanding.
Question 4. What is the term for animals that are at risk of becoming extinct? Is it A. Declining species, B. Endangered species, C. Invasive species, or D. Exotic species? The answer is B. Endangered species.
The term endangered species highlights the urgent need for conservation efforts. Fascinatingly, the concept of protecting endangered animals dates back to ancient times. In 252 BC, King Ashoka of India established wildlife reserves and enacted laws against hunting certain species, showcasing early awareness of biodiversity's importance long before modern environmental movements.
Question 5. What is the word for a group of pigeons? Is it A. rag, B. a murmuration, C. a labor, or D. a flock? The answer is D. a flock.
A group of pigeons is called a flock, but did you know that these birds have been used as message carriers for centuries? During both World Wars, homing pigeons delivered crucial messages across enemy lines, sometimes flying over 600 miles to reach their destination. Their reliability earned them numerous military honors.
Question 6. The small red deer is the only type of deer found on which continent? Is it A. North America, B. Africa, C. Australasia, or D. Asia? The answer is B. Africa.
The small red deer, known as the Barbary stag, is Africa's sole native deer species. Found primarily in the dense forests of Algeria and Tunisia, this elusive creature is a subspecies of the red deer. Its presence in Africa adds a unique twist to the continent's diverse wildlife tapestry.
Question 7. What type of tree do both dates and coconuts come from? Is it A. Palm tree, B. Fir tree, C. Birch tree, or D. Maple tree? The answer is A. Palm tree.
Palm trees are nature's versatile giants, producing both dates and coconuts. While dates come from the date palm, coconuts hail from the coconut palm. These trees thrive in tropical climates and have been symbols of paradise for centuries, offering not just food but also materials for shelter and tools.
Question 8. What was the nationality of the mathematician Joseph Fourier? Is it A. French, B. Canadian, C. Belgian, or D. Swiss? The answer is A. French.
Joseph Fourier, a French mathematician, is renowned for his groundbreaking work in heat transfer and vibrations. His development of Fourier series revolutionized the way we analyze periodic functions. Interestingly, his mathematical insights were inspired by his experiences during Napoleon's Egyptian campaign, where he served as a scientific advisor.
Question 9. What is the lowest common multiple of 3, 4, and 5? Is it A. 30, B. 60, C. 12, or D. 20? The answer is B. 60.
The lowest common multiple of 3, 4, and 5 is 60. Interestingly, this number is also the smallest positive integer that can be evenly divided by all three numbers. In music theory, a measure in 60 beats per minute aligns perfectly with these time signatures: waltz, 3, 4, common time, 4, 4, and quintuple meter, 5, 4.
As we orbit away from today's quiz, remember, in the universe of knowledge, curiosity is your gravity. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders around you. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Let's part ways for now, until tomorrow arrives.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts and our network at classicstudios.com.